a new problem with my dishwasher. Again, after 16 months, I have again a leak in my dishwasher at the left side, and I found the trouble. I make it, and I show you also how you have to make it, and so you save a lot of money. In my I have already made 2 videos about the i30 error code. In my first video I told you don't be panic, because you cannot stop the machine, the dishwasher, and then you have to pull out the current under the kitchen block. In the second video there is I have helped many people around the world for also the i30 error, and that happened, that is something about how do you call that? The level room. The level room. There is the level room. It's at the left side. There is a ring, and after that ring there was a leak. But now again I have again a leak, and I have said something about these 2 videos. The 2 videos I already make. They come at the end of this video. You can click on it and you see what to do. So you can go around video 1, video 2, video 3. Yes? Now, now is it so? There was also water balloon. I took it out. I see dripping water again. Now, what you have to do? Take away the front. In my second video you can see how to take away the front. You take away that, the plinth with 4 screws, and then you can look in it and take the water out, and then what you have to do? Take the water out, take out the current, then you open this. You open this, you have to make that on it, yes. And then make with a pen a line here, a line there, and a line there. Why you make that? Because when you pull them out and you make your work, you have to put them back, and then you can see at the line where you have to make your screws. Now, there are 4 screws, 2 there, and 2 to the right, 2 to the left. You take them out, and what happened, why I have that leak? It's because of this. See this? He goes in, he goes out, he goes in and out. Therefore there are vibrations. Also the vibrations of the dishwasher. There are bolts, and bolts are here, behind, and there. Also 3 bolts to the right and 3 bolts to the left. Those bolts are losing. Where are those bolts? Those bolts are behind here. These 2 and 1 there. Yeah, how do you get to them? Then you have to pull out the dishwasher, and therefore you have to make first a line here with a pencil here. Why? Because when you pull them out, you have to pull them back when you are ready, and then you know where you have to make your screws again in. Yeah. If you take out that screw, here screw, there screw, you pull, it comes till here. Don't worry about the tubes. The tubes for the water coming in, the tubes for the water coming out, they are long enough, because they made it that the mechanic who comes to help you also can fix it in a couple of minutes. When he is out, then you take out the panel to the left side and the panel at the right side. That's very easy. With a screwdriver upside, you loose the screw, and then with a screwdriver you make click, 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 and it comes out. And the same at that side. And then when you pull them here, you see those screws, those bolts. Normally they make their self-locking bolt in it. And this, but they don't make it by AEG. They have a normal bolt, and therefore that bolt has loose. And then how do you fix it? You fix it with an, what do you call it in English? Socket. Click, 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 click. I don't know how you call it, but the bolts, you have to tie them by a socket wrench. This is a socket wrench, yeah. You see it in the video what's coming. When they finish the video, then tell me if you have luck that you have made your leak. I made it. It is now 2 days that he is here in this situation. He is dry at the bottom. I fix it, and I close it again. I make the front panel in it and the plinth under, and then I'm ready again. And I hope that I have helped you with your leak problem. Then that is done specially, this leak problem especially with this, with the bolts in the panel to the left and the panel to the right. That's all, folks. Good luck. See you again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because always coming in new tips from Kessas. See you. Bye bye. Wat is dat hier?
Ja.
Is dat dit los?
Ja, ik heb gewoon los.
Wat maken die dan al? Waarom hebben die dat hier?
Hier, het zit helemaal los. Kijk wat die gelekt heeft, een hele tijd al.
Ik heb ook een wit water gevonden.
Zo.
Is het niet wat smerig daaronder? Is dat normaal?
Ja, dat had zeker.
Alles los.
Dit kan ik van hier niet gelet, heb je geluk. Goed, weg ermee.